Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a scheduled payment in Bluevine. Alright, here's how to stop a payment that you previously scheduled in Bluevine. Step 1, log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Then navigate to Bill Pay or Scheduled Payments. Now locate the payment that you want to cancel. Payments are usually listed by payee and scheduled dates. Select the payment and then tap Cancel Payments. Confirm your choice when prompted, and Bluevine will cancel the transaction before it is processed. Check the Transactions or Pending Payments section to ensure that the payment no longer appears. If a cancellation is attempted too late, the payment may have already been processed. Just contact Bluevine support immediately to explore reversal options. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.